Hi, I'm Tom Scarpello of Revology Cars. This is car number 325, a 1968 Shelby GT350 Convertible in special order orange paint with Wimbledon white stripes and Ivory Nappa leather interior. Today I'm going to take you on a walk around of this car and we're going to go for a drive. Let's get started. 1968 Shelby GT350 Convertible. We used to do videos on every car that we built, but that was when we were doing 1 or 2 cars a month. These days we're doing 8 or 9 cars a month, and we just can't film all the cars. But if you order a bright orange Shelby Convertible, you're getting a video. This is a special orange. This was a special order color. In fact, it was so special and so rare they didn't even have a marketing name for it. It was WT5185. So if you wanted this color, you ordered orange WT5185. It's a great color, very bright, vibrant. I love it with the Wimbledon white stripes. This car is straight 68 Shelby at the front. Everything exactly as it was in 1968, with the exception of the lighting being LED, although you can't tell that when the lights are off. You can only tell when the lights are on. They're significantly brighter than the old incandescent lights and the sealed beam headlamps. At the side, you've got the 17-inch 10-spoke Shelby wheels. The GT350 had the Cobra badge on the fender. Of course, the GT350 side stripe, side scoops on the quarter panel. At the rear, the 68s had the argent colored tail lamp panel. All of the 68s had the Shelby composite deck lid with the spoiler and the Shelby lettering, the quad tips. The GT350s had a Shelby Cobra gas cap. So at the back, it's also 100% authentic 1968 Shelby, again with the exception of the lighting being LED, which you'll really notice when the lights are on. There were 6 different special colors that were available in 1968. This is one of them. Very few cars were painted this color. There are 3 fastbacks documented and 0 convertibles documented as painted in this special WT5185 orange, which makes this a 1 of 1. So the interior features optional Ivory Nappa leather. This is a Mercedes leather. The dash is black to reduce the reflection coming off the windshield, and matching black carpet. It's a really sharp looking interior. Of course, it's genuine walnut veneers like the 68 Shelbys. Of course, that was a simulated walnut wood grain, but this is a genuine walnut that's laser cut. So very luxurious and high quality interior. So let's go for a ride before it starts raining. All right, we're off in car 325, trying to beat the rain here. So this car was built for our best client. He's ordered 14 cars from us to date. He was with us in the very early days of the company. He ordered car number 2 and car number 3, which we showed at the Amelia Island Concours in 2016. So that was 1 year after our debut in 2015. And he's been a huge supporter over the years. We may not even be here if it wasn't for him. When he came to see us the first time, we were just getting ready to reveal our concept car at Amelia Island. We had issued a press release and he thought it was interesting, so he came to visit, but we were nowhere near production ready. It was 4 of us working out of a 1,400 square foot shop, and we had only built that 1 concept car, but he placed an order for 2 cars and really gave us an important boost at that really critical time for the company. He came to visit us a few months ago, and I asked, what was it that caused you to trust us? You know, there's so many well-publicized failures of companies like this. And, you know, he's a savvy collector. He's been involved in automobiles his entire life. And he said, because, you know, I knew that you guys were committed to this idea, and I knew you were willing to work hard to make it work. So I thought it was worth investing in you. And I just felt like I wanted to cry because, you know, he really knew and understood how it was and how it is to start a company. And, you know, you clear out your 401k and you put everything that you've worked for your entire life on the line to build a business that you believe in, and he could see that. And, you know, he's a serial entrepreneur. This is a person that's built and sold several companies. He's obviously been very successful. And the fact that he was able to spot something in us, I think says a lot, you know, about his ability to read people and their motives and aspirations and so forth. So it's pretty cool. And it's such a pleasure to work with people like that. And, you know, honestly, that was a big part of the inspiration behind our new tagline. We're part of your journey. Because so many of our clients are entrepreneurs and they've been through this, they get it. And, you know, we really connect with them a lot. And it is part of your journey, you know, it really is. To be able to have something that is so unique and expresses yourself, your character, who you are, it's really meaningful. So it's really cool to be part of people's journey, and we really have the pleasure of meeting and working with a lot of really interesting people in this business.